Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sendinblue from no-code automation's easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, log in to your Sendinblue account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Automation tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Automation tab to access your automations. In the Automation dashboard, you will see a list of your existing automations. Identify the automation that includes Sendinblue. Hover over the automation you wish to uninstall. You will see an option labeled Edit. Click on Edit to enter the automation settings. In the automation workflow, locate the specific action related to Sendinblue. This could be a trigger, an email, or any other action that utilizes Sendinblue. Select the action to highlight it. Now, look for the trash bin icon or the delete option. Click on the trash bin icon or delete to remove the Sendinblue action from your automation. A confirmation dialog may appear. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the action. Next, check the remaining workflow to ensure everything else functions correctly. Once satisfied with the changes, click Save at the top right corner. This will apply the changes to your automation. You can now exit the automation settings by clicking the back arrow. Return to the automation dashboard to verify that the action has been removed. Finally, make sure to test your workflow if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.